Join me as I take on the challenge of getting my car absolutely spotless in 2024. Let's see if I can tackle all the mess and grime. Maintaining a clean car is more than just a cosmetic thing, it's essential for enhancing your driving experience and the overall longevity of your vehicle. A clean car is not only a pleasure to drive, but it also helps maintain its resale value and prevents dirt and grime from building up and causing damage. We've all been there, our busy schedules get in the way, and before we know it, our cars are covered in dirt, dust, and mystery stains. It can be overwhelming, especially when we're not sure where to start or what products to use. Many of us struggle to find the time to clean our cars, and when we do, we often find ourselves using ineffective methods that leave our rides looking mediocre at best. Add to that the fact that our cars are constantly being bombarded with environmental elements like pollution, UV rays, and weather conditions, which can all take a toll on the exterior and interior. It's no wonder many of us put off cleaning our cars until it's absolutely necessary, or worse, leave it to someone else to do. But what if I told you there's a better way? What if you could learn some simple, effective cleaning techniques and products that would make the process easier and more efficient? When it comes to cleaning your car, it's all about having the right tools and knowledge. One of the most effective techniques I've found is using a microfiber cloth to wipe down surfaces. Not only does it pick up dirt and dust easily, but it's also gentle on the surfaces and can be used with or without cleaning products. Another game changer is using a good quality all-purpose cleaner that can tackle tough messes and stains. I've found that using a mixture of baking soda and water can be incredibly effective in removing stubborn stains and odors. And for those hard-to-reach areas, a detailing brush can be a lifesaver. But what about those pesky leather seats? I've found that using a leather cleaner and conditioner not only keeps them looking fresh and new but also helps to protect them from cracks and fading. And for those stubborn carpet stains, a carpet and upholstery cleaner can work wonders. But the real game changer is this amazing cleaning hack I want to share with you. Have you ever heard of using a dryer sheet to repel dust and dirt from your car's surfaces? It's genius. Simply wipe down the surface with a dryer sheet, and it will leave a protective barrier that repels dust and dirt for weeks. I've seen the before and after results myself, and it's truly revolutionary. The before and after results are almost unbelievable, from dusty, stained surfaces to a showroom shine. And the best part? It's ridiculously easy to do. No more hours spent scrubbing away with harsh chemicals or wasting money on ineffective products. So there you have it, my top cleaning tips and products for getting your car spotless in 2024. By incorporating these simple techniques and products into your cleaning routine, you can say goodbye to the stress and hassle of maintaining a clean car and hello to a ride that looks and feels amazing. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found these tips and products helpful in your own car cleaning journey. Be sure to share your own cleaning hacks and tips in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more car care advice and challenges in the future.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and
and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.